The iShares S&P GSCI Commodity-Indexed Trust, ticker symbol GSG, is an exchange-traded fund, ETF, that provides exposure to a diversified basket of commodities. The fund tracks the performance of the S&P GSCI Total Return Index, which is a composite index of 24 commodity futures contracts across 5 sectors: energy, industrial metals, precious metals, agriculture, and livestock. GSG offers investors a convenient way to gain exposure to the commodity markets without the need to buy and store physical commodities or trade futures contracts directly. The fund allows investors to invest in a broad basket of commodities with a single purchase, providing diversification and risk management benefits. The fund's holdings are rebalanced periodically to ensure that the weightings of the different commodities in the index reflect their relative importance in the global economy. The fund's holdings are also adjusted for changes in the prices of the underlying commodities to maintain the fund's exposure to the index. One of the key advantages of GSG is that it provides exposure to a broad range of commodities, rather than focusing on a single commodity or sector. This can help to reduce the risk of investing in a single commodity, which can be subject to price volatility and supply disruptions. Additionally, the fund is structured as a grantor trust, which means that it is not subject to corporate income taxes. This can result in a higher return for investors compared to a fund structured as a corporation. One potential drawback of investing in GSG is that the fund's performance is closely tied to the performance of the underlying commodities, which can be affected by a variety of factors such as supply and demand, weather, geopolitical events, and economic conditions. Also, the fund's performance can be affected by changes in the prices of the underlying futures contracts, which are subject to contango and backwardation. Contango occurs when the price of a futures contract is higher than the spot price, while backwardation occurs when the price of a futures contract is lower than the spot price. This can result in a negative roll yield for the fund, which can reduce its returns. In summary, GSG is an ETF that provides exposure to a diversified basket of commodities. It offers investors a convenient way to gain exposure to the commodity markets and provides diversification and risk management benefits. However, the fund's performance is closely tied to the performance of the underlying commodities, which can be affected by a variety of factors and may not be suitable for all investors.